Hi, students of third grade of San Juan Bosco School. So today here we are doing this video to talk about grammar, which is can or can't. Remember that can is when we know, okay? So yes, can. And can't is when we don't know, okay? But be careful with the pronunciation. Can and can't. Ready? Let's go. First, let's review a little personal pronouns. And for example, the first one is I. Okay, I. Then she, which is for one girl. She is Maria. He, which is for boy, for one boy. He is Pedro, for example. And then we have you. You for two per people or three or four, so you. Okay? And only for one person as well. You. You. You are my students. Sorry, this. You are my students or you are my student. Only one. Okay, let's start with can and can't. Let's see. I can swim, which means yes. Yes, I can do it. I can swim. Or I can play the piano. Can you see the, which is underlined? The is before musical instruments. So we say, I can play the guitar, I can play the flute, but if we are talking about sports, I can play basketball. No, the. This, no. I can play tennis. I can play football. Okay? No, the. Only for instruments. And when you don't know, I can't do karate. You are terrible. I can't do karate. Or I can't play the guitar. You don't know. I don't know. Okay, you can't. The same with she and he. She can play tennis or he can't do karate. Is the same. So we can say he can play tennis or she can play tennis, and here the same. She or he. Okay? This is the same. What about questions? So, can you do karate? If it's yes, yes, I can. Or no, I can't. If you don't know. And if we are talking or asking about she, can she run? If it's yes, yes, she can. Or no, she can't. With he is the same. Can he jump? Yes, he can, or no, he can't. More questions can be, can he, no jump, can he play the violin? Yes, he can, or no, he can't. Or coming back from she, can she play basketball? Yes, she can, or no, she can't. Okay? So, We have seen the personal pronouns. We have seen how to create sentences, affirmative sentences with can and can't. We have seen how to do questions with you, he, and she, and that's it. So, bye, and thank you for your attention. Kiss.